Hi everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. This morning I posted a project that was a Target Target find that I crafted. I got this great, and it's very stiff felt banner at Target. Now I got this last year. I don't know if you're gonna find it or something like it this year, but be on the lookout because I know that they do, in their dollar spot area, they have these types of things for crafters like us. And what I decided to do last year, and I wanted to show you this stuff. This is textured vinyl. Now you could, in theory, because this is felt, you could in theory use iron-on this, and that would work out great. But I had something called textured, premium vinyl textured metallic vinyl. And this is from Cricut, obviously. And if you're going to purchase some of this, this might be a good time to do it because they're having a sale. It's called the We Heart a Flash sale, and everything's on sale, 40% off. Plus, if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 10% off. And so that's a really good savings. They do not have these flash sales that often, or at least they haven't in the past. But anyway, I always find flash sales great for hunting down a few things that I really haven't tried. And one of the things that I really wanted to try was this. It's called, this is the textured metallic, okay? And that I think is like, what is that? Like a copper or a bronze color, and there's like a, well, maybe that's bronze. And then this one is like a chocolate brown or a dark color. I wanted to get in close, and here's the silver. I wanted to get in close so you can see what I mean by textured. It's got what I would call leafing. It's got like these impressions on there, but it's also textured feel. It's a little thicker than some of the other premium vinyl from Cricut, but it cuts beautifully and with so much detail. So let me show you. This I cut, again, this is with the gold textured vinyl with this. These images are from Cricut Design Space. Again, I'll give you that Design Space file in the description of this video, but let me show you, where is it? This one here. I just think this is so beautiful. I'm gonna try to get it in the light so you can see. And when this is hung up in your doorway or wherever, this just is so beautiful because in addition to the metallic, you get that texture to it. It's not this flat or super ultra chromy looking metallic, and I think it's really kind of vintagey looking. So I wanted to let you know that that is what textured, let me just make sure I got the name correct, okay? Premium vinyl textured metallic. See that? And this one happens to be the dark metals sampler, but also I have this one here, which is just silver. And on the sampler, you get 3 12 by 24 sheets. And on the singles, you get one continuously length 12 by 48 inch sheets. So that is 2 regular matte size of each of the three kinds there. So I don't know what's a better deal. I guess that the samplers are a better deal because you're getting 2 mats times 3 is 6, and versus here, which is like 4 mats, but I'm sure the price reflects that. Anyway, so if you're going to place an order for this or for anything else, do definitely use my link and my code, which is Miss Rita 201. And you might want to check out some of these other things that are brand new in the shop here. I haven't yet done anything with these, but this is called 3D textured. It's a removable. The other stuff was permanent, but this is kind of interesting. This one's called Mom's Faves. I don't know, but I love these colors. So maybe, and I'm a mom, so maybe that's why it's called Mom's Favorite. But yeah, it's green, blue, purple, magenta, red, and burgundy. And you get 12 by 12, 6 different. And what's cool about it is that they've all got different. It's not all. Is it all the same texture? No, it's not all the same texture. So this one's got kind of a hexagon-ish kind of a texture, and this one is also hexagon, but then this one's a zigzag. I don't know if you can see those, but there's one that's kind of a bit like a square bits. Okay, and here's another one, premium vinyl, 3D textured. This one's called the Summer Bee Sampler, and it has this really bright yellow and some beige, gold, browns, 2 different color browns, and a green. And there's six sheets here in this sampler, and also here's that, just so you can see it real close. So there's that. It doesn't feel so much textured like the metallic does. Metallic has a real feel of a textured feel. This is more like, I would say, like an optical illusion textured, so that you can get a little depth in your projects. So there's 2 different Cricut products you could try in some of your upcoming projects. Not just this adorable felt banner, but also some other projects that are upcoming. I'm doing this really pretty lantern made out of a glass mason jar and leftover pickle jars. If you have a kid that loves to eat pickles and you have all kinds of jars hanging around, I'm going to show you what you can do to make to upcycle them and make some really fun things with Cricut vinyl. So thanks for coming by today. My name is Rita. This is my channel, Miss Rita to the Rescue. Please follow along. We have all kinds of fun things that we do here. And we also talk about sales and upcoming mystery boxes and new product announcements. So it behooves you, if you have an interest in Cricut or in crafting in general, it behooves you to be following along on our page. Thanks so much for coming today. You make it a great day.